Welcome to our video about how to make a child feel valued. Spending time with your child is an important way to show that you value them. Find ways to spend special time alone with your child to foster respect, closeness, and to learn more about what your child wants and needs. Whether it's taking a walk, sharing a picnic snack, or going together to a favorite spot, the activities you do with your child don't have to be complicated. Your child is more likely to approach you with their needs if they feel comfortable spending alone time with you. Children need to be reassured that they are loved by the adults in their lives. Make sure your child knows that you love them regardless of whether they bring home a perfect report card or not. Love should not be based on conditions. Remember that love is non-judgmental and unconditional. Sometimes children of divorced parents need additional confirmation that they still have their parents' love. Talking to a child about daily activities allows them to know that you care about their life. Having conversations with an adult may also give the child a positive sense of maturity. Include a variety of questions to help support your conversation. Use open-ended questions as often as possible, which will allow the child to know that you're interested in what they have to say. Open-ended questions usually start with who, what, where, when, why, or how. Avoid rhetorical questions which your child may not know how to interpret. Encourage a child's conversation by using conversation extenders. Children may not have the skills to express themselves without some help. If you want a child to share her experience with you, help support her by asking questions like, "And then what happened?" or "Tell me more." Inviting your child to continue to share about her experience will allow her to know you value her individual perspective. The conversation extenders will also model for her ways in which she can ask for more information with a peer, another adult, or to increase her ability to articulate her own experience. Treat their emotions as important, even if you don't understand or agree. Validate their feelings and make it clear that it's okay for them to feel the way they do. You can validate their feelings while not doing what they want. For example, I know you don't want to take a bath. It's lots of fun to play with dolls, and it's not fun to be told to stop. You need a bath because it's important to stay clean. You can choose the bath toys, and we can make lots of bubbles if you want. This lets the child know that you think their perspective is important and worth listening to. Start by showing respect for your child. Listening to your child and spending quality time with them is a great way to show that you value and respect them. Don't rush your child through their answers or make them feel you're too busy for their attention. To teach your child they're valued, allow them to feel that you prioritize time spent with them. This can be as simple as asking them about their day or playing a game together. Acknowledge your child's capabilities and let them do things for themselves. Doing things for your child that they can do for themselves suggests that you doubt their abilities. Instead, encourage and praise them when they try to do things independently. Remember that there are cultural differences in typical ideas of child development, and be mindful of respecting these differences. Giving your child space to learn and grow on their own is key to building their confidence and independence. Allowing your child to make mistakes is an important part of teaching independence. It's natural for young children to make mistakes while learning new skills. You can show your child that you trust them to make their own choices and that you believe in their ability to learn from their mistakes. Make sure that the consequences of their learning won't have overly detrimental effects on their physical or emotional safety. Encourage your child to take risks and try new things within safe boundaries. Providing your child with choices is a great way to let them know that you value their preferences. Offer them a range of options that are all equally valid and let them choose what they prefer. Avoid overwhelming your child with too many choices and choose options that you wouldn't mind if they choose. Giving your child the freedom to choose helps to build their decision-making skills and promotes independence. Apologizing to your child when you make mistakes is important in building trust and accountability. It shows that you care about their feelings and that you're willing to take responsibility for your actions. When apologizing, be specific about what you're sorry for and offer ways to make things better. This teaches your child that it's okay to make mistakes and that it's important to take responsibility for your actions. Each child is a unique individual with their own traits and quirks. It's important to acknowledge and respect their individuality rather than trying to change them. Encourage your child to embrace their individuality and support them in pursuing their interests and passions. This helps to build their self-confidence and self-esteem. Remember, each child is different and has their own way of navigating the world. Celebrate your child's uniqueness and encourage them to be themselves. Being a good role model for your child means leading by example. Instead of telling them what to do, show them how to behave in life. Pay attention to their struggles and model how to handle those well. Consistency is key when it comes to setting rules and boundaries for your child. It teaches accountability for their actions and provides a safe boundary for exploration. Having regular daily routines based on your child's needs will help them better understand that they are valued. It's important to spend quality time with your child every day. Set aside blocks of time where you can be with them and try to get into a routine. If you're really busy one day, make up for it by spending more time with them on a later day. Modeling self-care for your child is important in teaching them what it means to be valued. Take care of your health, hygiene, psychological, and emotional needs. If you need help understanding more about self-care, ask for help from a friend or professional. Set appropriate rules and boundaries to make your child feel safe. It's important to consider your child's individual personality and meet their needs. Remember, you can still have fun with your child, but safety always comes first. If your child is upset, respond with empathy and patience, not judgment. Be gentle and firm about rules while still empathizing with them. Focus on fixing negative behavior rather than labeling the child as bad. It's important to let your child know that even if their behavior is unacceptable in a given situation, you still care about and love them no matter what. Remind them that they will have other opportunities to make better choices. In conclusion, treating children with respect is crucial for their development and well-being. By showing respect for their opinions, abilities, and individuality, we can help them build confidence, self-esteem, and a sense of independence. Moreover, by apologizing for our mistakes, we can model accountability and empathy and strengthen our relationship with them. Of course, respecting children doesn't mean giving them everything they want or letting them do whatever they please. It means creating a safe and supportive environment where they can learn, explore, and grow at their own pace. As parents, caregivers, and educators, we have a responsibility to treat children with respect and dignity and to help them become the best version of themselves. By doing so, we can contribute to a more compassionate, tolerant, and just society for all. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.